Are you tired of dreading your workouts? Do you feel like fitness is just another chore on your never-ending to-do list? Maybe you're a busy professional, a parent, or just someone who struggles to find the time or motivation to hit the gym. Well, what if I told you that getting fit could actually be the most fun part of your day? Imagine a workout that leaves you energized, smiling, and genuinely looking forward to the next session. That's exactly what we're talking about today. Fun home workouts you'll actually love to do every single day. This isn't about grueling hours or complicated equipment. It's about discovering joyful movement right where you are, making fitness a natural, exciting part of your life. We're going to unlock the secret to consistent exercise that feels like play, not punishment. The world has changed, and so has fitness. You no longer need a fancy gym membership or a long commute to get an amazing workout. Your living room, your backyard, even a small corner of your bedroom can become your personal fitness sanctuary. Home workouts offer unparalleled convenience and flexibility. They fit seamlessly into your busy schedule, whether you have 10 minutes before work or 30 minutes during your lunch break. No excuses about travel time or crowded machines. This accessibility is a game changer for beginners and busy professionals alike. It removes so many common barriers, making it easier than ever to start and stick with a fitness routine. You can literally roll out of bed and get moving. Let's be honest, if something feels like a chore, you're probably not going to do it consistently. The key to long-term fitness isn't willpower, it's enjoyment. When exercise is fun, it becomes something you want to do, not something you have to do. This shift in mindset is incredibly powerful. It transforms your relationship with movement from obligation to opportunity. You start to crave that feeling of energy and accomplishment, making it a positive feedback loop. Fun workouts tap into your inner child, reminding you that movement can be playful and exhilarating. It's about finding what lights you up, whether that's dancing, jumping, or flowing. So, how do you make a home workout fun? First, ditch the idea that exercise has to be rigid. Explore different styles: dance fitness, bodyweight circuits, yoga flows, or even active video games. The options are endless. Music is your secret weapon. Create upbeat playlists that make you want to move. Let the rhythm guide you and elevate your mood. A great beat can turn a simple squat into a dance party. Keep your workouts varied to prevent boredom. Try a different routine each day, or mix and match exercises. Short, intense bursts of activity can be incredibly effective and feel less daunting than a long session. Consistency is built on enjoyment, not just discipline. Start small, even just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Celebrate every single workout, no matter how short. Focus on how good you feel afterward, not just the numbers. Find an accountability buddy or join an online community. Sharing your journey can provide motivation and support. Remember, every little bit of movement adds up to big results over time. Embrace the process and be kind to yourself. Some days you'll feel amazing, others less so. The goal is progress, not perfection. Just keep showing up for yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes. Imagine waking up excited to move your body, knowing it's going to be a blast. That's the power of a fun home workout. It's about finding joy in movement, making fitness sustainable, and truly loving the skin you're in. You have everything you need right now to start this incredible journey. Your body is ready, your home is your gym, and your spirit is ready for some fun. Let's make fitness the highlight of your day. What's one fun activity you'd love to incorporate into your home workout routine? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to move with joy.